Chapter 7 Motivation Concepts. Chapter 8 From Concepts to Applications, presented by Dega and Anthony. Introduction. Motivation is a key driver of human behavior, influencing how individuals pursue goals, engage in activities, and respond to challenges. Understanding motivation is essential across various domains, including psychology, business, and education, as it informs strategy to inspire and enhance performance. Motivation concepts encompass various theories that explain what fuels our actions, such as intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation, the role of needs, and the importance of goal setting. These frameworks help identify the underlying factors that motivate people in different contexts. 3 key elements of motivation. Need for achievement. This need focuses on goals, productivity, task completion, and measurable, tangible results. It's also related to self-discipline, adhering to schedules, and responsibility. Need for application. This need emphasizes human communication, interpersonal relationships, and caring for others. Need for power. This need arises from the desire to control resources, our people, and the environment. Contemporary theories of motivation, context-based. Reinforcement theory posits that behavior is shaped by external reinforces, consequences that follow actions and increase the likelihood of those actions being repeated. This behaviorist perspective downplays internal cognitive processes. In contrast, social learning theory also recognizes the role of consequences but emphasizes the importance of observation and perception. Individuals learn and model behavior based on how they interpret the actions of others, not just the objective outcomes. Organizational justice equity theory. Based on equity theory, employees who perceive inequity, they'll make one of 6 choices: change inputs, change outcomes, distort perceptions of self, distort perceptions of others, choose a different refund, leave the field. Distributive justice. Distributive justice is concerned with the fairness of outcomes such as pay and recognition that employees receive. Outcomes can be allocated in many ways. Procedural justice. Although employees care a lot about that outcomes are distributed, they also care about how they are distributed. The way in which outcomes are distributed is the focus of procedural justice. Integrating contemporary theories of motivation. They begin by explicitly recognizing that opportunities can either aid or hinder individual effort. The individual effort box on the left also has another arrow leading into it from the person's goals. Consistent with goal-adding theory, the goals effort loop is meant to remind us that goal direct behavior. Expectancy theory predicts employers will exert a high level of effort if they perceive strong relationships between effort and performance and reward, and satisfaction of personal goals. Each of these relationships is in turn influenced by other factors. For effort to lead to good performance, the individual must have the ability to perform. They perceive the performance appraisal system as fair and objective. The performance-reward relationship will be strong in the individual perceives that performance is rewarded. If cognitive evaluation theory were fully valid in the actual workplace, they would predict that basing rewards on performance should decrease the individual's intrinsic motivation. The final link is expectancy theory is the rewards goals relationship. Motivation is high if the rewards for high performance satisfy the dominant needs consistent with individual goals. Motivating by job design. The job characteristics model highlights 5 core dominations that affect motivation: skill variety, the range of skills required in a job; task identity, the completion as a whole and identifiable piece of work; task significance, the impact a job has on others' lives; autonomy, the freedom and discretion in how work is performed; feedback, the clarity and directness of performance information.
Next, we have job rotation and job enrichment. Job rotation involves periodically shifting employees between tasks to reduce monotony and boost motivation, particularly favored by millennials managers. While it enhances safety and flexibility, it may incur training costs and temporary productivity losses. Job enrichment adds meaningful responsibilities to increase intrinsic motivation, effectively reducing turnover and enhancing job satisfaction, thus benefiting organizational performance. Alternative work arrangement. Flexible arrangement like flex time, job sharing, and telecommunicating support diverse employees in balancing work and family responsibilities. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated remote work adaptation, with many employees preferring to continue this arrangement. Flex time offers employees autonomy, enhancing job satisfaction and attracting talent, as demonstrated by Poland Capital Managers' workforce growth. The next subtopic is employee involvement. Employee involvement in participation, or EIP, enhances commitment to organizational success by leveraging employee input, boosting motivation, productivity, and job satisfaction. Involving workers in decision-making not only benefit individuals but also improve their morale. Employee involvement programs encompass two main forms. First is participate management, involve joint decision-making, fostering trust and commitment. Second one is representative participation, includes employee representative in decision-making to balance interests. Organizations must consider two key motivating factors: the types of benefit offered, including flexible benefits, and the design of employee recognition programs. Flexible benefits: developing a benefit package. Flexible benefits allow employees to choose from various offerings such as healthcare and retirement savings, tailored to their individual needs based on age and family status. While essential benefits like healthcare are critical, others, like housing assistance, are less so. Next subtopic is using extrinsic rewards to motivate. Pay and job satisfaction. Pay is a crucial factor in employee motivation and job satisfaction, with 47% of employees staying for pay and 62% seeking better compensation elsewhere. The second one is impact of pay structure. Competitive pay boosts morale and productivity but can increase costs. The third one is variable pay programs. Many organizations implement variable pay programs such as piece rate and merit-based pay, linking compensation to performance. So next is challenge with pay for performance. Employees may not perceive a strong link between pay and performance, leading to stress and negative behaviors, particularly in pay for performance model for teachers. The next is pay secrecy versus transparency. Pay secrecy can lower motivation while transparency may cause jealousy and reduce cooperation. The last one is type of pay for performance plans. Different pay for performance plans, like piece rate pay, reward based on output. So the next subtopic is using intrinsic rewards to motivate employees. Intrinsic rewards, particularly through employee recognition programs, significantly enhance motivation alongside extrinsic rewards like pay. Employee recognition programs. This program not formally acknowledge specific contribution, from simple thank you to structured awards, positively impact retention and recruitment. As organizations face budget constraints, non-financial incentive becomes more valuable. Research indicates that while financial incentive might motivate in the short term, non-financial reward supports long-term satisfaction and self-esteem. So for the conclusion, understanding employee motivation is essential for organizational goals, both extrinsic rewards such as pay and benefits, and intrinsic rewards like recognition and job satisfaction play pivotal roles in fostering a motivated workforce by implementing competitive compensation strategies and flexible benefits that cater to individual needs. Organizations can enhance employee retention and satisfaction.